A carbon resistance with color bar is 200 ohm. If red bar is replaced by green bar, then the new resistance is okay. So this is a very simple and theoretical question. Okay, we just have to replace the color code. Okay, so initially it was red color. Okay, and then it is replaced by green. Okay, so we just have to replace the color code of red from red to green. Okay, let's move to the solution. So here, so color code of red is 2 and color code of green is 5, and multiplier band multiplier for both these two colors is 100 ohms. Okay, 100 ohms. Okay, so we just have to multiply this band multiplier with our color code, then we can find out the resistance. So initially color code was 2 and band was 100 ohm, so 2 into 100 was 200 omega. That was given in the question. Now if we have to replace from red to green, okay, so now we'll multiply 5 into 100, so that would give 500 ohms. Okay, so correct answer is option A, that is 500 ohms.